First time I've ever come back from a muffler shop and the car has been quieter. Probably more noise coming from the front.